Hey, something stinks in. Hey, I'm in the shower and something stinks in here. No, just kidding. What we're gonna do today is, well, I guess I'm gonna give my opinion or review on, Dr Squatch products. So that's why we're in the shower. No, I'm not gonna get naked for you in the shower. Sit naked in the first 30 seconds of this video. Is that gonna lower me on the search results? I don't know. Anyway, Dr Squatch. Of course, you've been seeing the advertisements like crazy on it. And I decided, hey, you know what? They're available now at my grocery store and at Walmart. By the way, not getting paid, not sponsored for this. This is all purchased my own money to see what's up with the Squatch hype. So I did buy a few things, and here's my reviews of them. First off, I got the Wood Barrel Bourbon deodorant. Gotta tell you, it smells nice, but it is just that. Just a deodorant. It is not an antiperspirant. And I'm a sweaty guy. So while it did make me not stink, when I was out, in the 90 plus, 100 degree plus weather outside, I was pouring like a fountain from my pits. It's kind of gross. But hey, you know what? It smells nice. So out of 10, I got to give the deodorant. Let's see. Used the whole bar. Out of 10, I got to give it like a 4.5. Just because of that deodorant, or just because the antiperspirant part isn't there. I know a lot of antiperspirants have the aluminum oxide, dioxide, whatever, the aluminum stuff that makes you not sweat. If Squatch can come up with some way to make you not sweat to add into the deodorant without all those crazy chemicals, cool, that'd be great. I'll try them again. But deodorant, not gonna do it again. Sorry, you lost me there, Squatch. Next up, hey, how about the soap? I got the rum soap or whatever. It kind of looks like a turd now. Been using this a couple months as well. It's down to this size. A lot of people a lot of people that I was reading online was saying that this would go way too fast. It would just dissolve and be gone within, a couple of days. I have a coworker that said he had that same result, but then he started placing it on basically these racks that let the air flow around it, and not in the trays or the bowls where it would just kind of, sit in its own juices type of thing. He said when it was in the bowl, it would just, be a few days gone. But ever since he started putting them on the racks like that, it's fine. No issue with them, dissolving quickly. Same thing with me. Now, this was I think this was the rum. Yeah, I know, it looks like a turd. But this, smells pretty good as well. Actually, I like the smell of them so much. Should have had this ready. Like the smell so much. Like these so much, I bought the coconut castaway to give it a shot after that one's done. So, how I would rate the soap out of 10? I'd probably give it an 8 out of 10. It does have a little, texture, if you want to call it. I don't want to call them scrubbing beads, but I guess they're sort of like scrubbing beads. I don't know if you can see a little textures to help with the soap. But this is good. So 8 out of 10. As you can see, I'm definitely continuing on with it. Now, I then also got the smaller pine tar shampoo. And I've been using this. I got all these three at like the same time. And I'm probably down to, I can't really see it. Probably like around there after a couple months. A little goes a long way with this. The pine tar, at first, bubbles. Yeah, smells good. At first, it freaked me out, and I'll show you why. First night I used it. I'll show you why. Come on, Bubble. Yeah, it came out as black. I was like, whoa, what is this? Is this going to stain my, is this going to stain my skin? Is it going to color my hair? Is it going to stain the bathtub? I was like, oh, what is this? But, just boom. It lathered up and turned into the sudsy shampoo really quick. So, crisis averted. So what I would say for the shampoo, I would probably, the pine tar at least, I probably, yeah, it gets my hair, yeah, clean. Doesn't stink. I haven't had any oil problems or anything after using it. I would give the shampoo out of 10. Yeah, probably another 8. I don't know any improvement that could be made to it, perhaps. I don't know if they throw in conditioner, if it counts as a conditioner, maybe. But yeah, I've used it on my hair, used it a little on my beard. No issues. No issues. Yep. So again, yeah, soap 8 out of 10. I thought I saw somebody online saying like the Dr Squatch has soy in it or whatever. Just from the ingredients of the soap, we got saponified oils of palm, coconut, olive, natural dry fragrance, shea butter, coconut shreds, coconut milk, coconut water, titanium dioxide. I don't know. Haugen, clay, and sea salt. Oh, I bet sea salt's the one that kind of, I bet that's the texture in the soaps. But I don't think I see anything that specifically says soy. Deodorant. I don't like all these weird names. Capric triglyceride. I think that Manhut, escalate, powder, zero alcohol, magnesium, hydroxide beeswax, shea, coconut oil, sun citrate, jojoba seed oil, natural fragrance, jojoba esters, chocolate powder, sunflower seed oil, tocopherol, lactobacillus ferment, maltodextrin. I might get old, okay. And so again, I don't see anything that specifically says soy. Maybe one of those is soy. Let me know if it is. If there are soy, I might, might drop using them. We'll see. As for the shampoo, yeah, bite size, glycerin fragrance, xanthan gum, blah blah blah. I think it's sodium, chocolate powder, potassium, sorbate, pine tar, blah blah blah, other stuff. Again, I don't see anything that specifically says soy. Sorry, long blah blah blah. I just decided to skip out on these. Again, nothing that says soy. So, yeah, I guess I'll probably keep using the shampoos and the soap, but not the deodorants. If they ever come out with a deodorant antiperspirant, Squatch, I will try that. But again, just wanted to give my reviews. I mostly like them. They are kind of pricey. I don't know if the price justifies the quantity, but they're nice. They're nice overall. So again, not paid for by Squatch, not sponsored by Squatch, purchased my own money. Anyway, just wanted to share my opinions on the Squatches with you. So, remember, get outside, enjoy life, try science. No links below or anything because again, I'm not sponsored. Talk to you later. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment. Check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.